Have you been looking for a new job for a while? Look, I know how stressful it can be searching and applying and figuring out how to craft the perfect cover letter or resume. And if you haven't gotten any bites yet, there may be something that you need to do differently to get more interviews and land the job offer of your dreams. Maybe you need to tweak your resume, or maybe you need to answer interview questions with a different approach, or maybe you'd have a lot more success applying to another position or with different companies altogether. Now, whatever mistake you might be making, the Job Search Bootcamp app is guaranteed to help you identify and improve what's been holding you back. This app offers a step-by-step guide with proven resume templates, networking hacks, exclusive interviews with industry leaders that are awesome, and valuable insights into the hiring process. This app covers all the job hunting bases, plus the best part is when you join the Job Search Bootcamp community, you'll get access to live Q&A support from recruiting experts to make sure that you have everything that you need to secure a great job. So what are you waiting for? Another rejection? Change your career trajectory. Download the Job Search Bootcamp app today, right now, and land the opportunity that you'll truly be excited about.